Hello everybody and welcome back. Yesterday I recanned some diced tomatoes. Now I didn't film the video because I do have a video from about a year ago. Okay, so they're all sealing and you can just look at the jars to see the tomatoes have kept their form. There you go, ping. Sometimes I repeat videos, sometimes I'm not in the mood. So today, what I'm gonna do is, we're gonna open up this failed seal. We're gonna take a look at the consistency, what you get when you recan diced tomatoes. And then I'm gonna proceed to wash my jars. So this is the jar that was a failed seal. And once I realized that it was gonna be a failed seal, I popped it into the refrigerator. So let's open it up. Here's a look at the consistency. It's not bad. I mean, after all, it's diced tomatoes, right? Tomato products are something I can on a regular basis. Now, I'm pleased with this, and this is why I continue to do this. Just keep in mind that recanning is not approved. Before I wash my jars, I attempt to take the ring bands off. And if the ring band doesn't come off, I run it underwater. So let's get started.